5 months ago, I couldn't say one full sentence in English. Today, I speak it with confidence. But today, I'm speaking to you in English. I didn't move abroad. I didn't join expensive classes. I didn't memorize grammar rules. I just made a decision, one that changed my life forever. Let me take you back. My dream was to work in a big international tech company. I applied. I got the interview. I was excited until the moment it began. The interviewer asked, "Can you tell us about your experience?" My mind went blank. I stuttered, I do coding, many projects, I'm good. It was painful, silent, embarrassing. I knew everything in my field, but I couldn't express it. I didn't fail because I lacked skills. I failed because I lacked English. That day I promised myself, I will learn, I will speak, I will never feel that helpless again. But I didn't start with grammar books. I didn't chase big vocab lists. I began small, very small. I made a list of 50 simple sentences I needed in daily life. Can you repeat that? I don't understand. I need a coffee. I read them out loud every morning, 10 times. At first it felt slow, but after a few days, something shifted. These sentences became automatic. My mouth moved without fear. I talked to myself while cooking, walking, even showering. I'm washing my hands. I'm boiling water. It felt silly, but it worked. No one judged me. I was free to try, to fail, to grow. Every day I asked myself questions. What did you eat today? I ate eggs. I ate eggs and toast. I ate eggs, toast, and banana because I was hungry. Little by little, my brain stopped translating. I stopped thinking in Portuguese. I started thinking in English. And then came the moment I'll never forget. I applied again, same company. This time, the voice that once shook with fear spoke clearly, calmly, with confidence. And I got the job, $5,000 a month. My dream came true, not because I was special, but because I refused to quit. So now I ask you, what are you waiting for? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Because fluency doesn't start with talent. It starts with one decision, to show up, even when it's hard. You're not too late. You're not too old. You're not behind. You're just one step away from everything you dreamed of. What's the one simple sentence you'll practice today to move closer to fluency? Remember, you don't need perfect grammar to change your life. You just need the courage to begin. If this story inspired you, subscribe to my channel for more real stories, simple tips, and gentle motivation to help you speak English with confidence. Your journey starts with one sentence. What will yours be?